yeah.
I got this, Daddy.
Crack it open, Johnny. Boy, breaking his coolers.
Ginormous poppers. Elijah, come here. Elijah, come here. Elijah, come here, quick. Elijah, come here. Come here, we got poppers.
Look at this, Jonathan.
We need poppers. Come on, quick.
65 miles per hour.
Big poppers.
How do you do this? How do you put this on?
Wow.
Trying to close it.
Giant.
Push it like this.
Mom, put poppers inside.
Oh, yeah. Okay, everyone hold your ears, guys. Just gonna pop them.
Open it up.
What?
It's not gonna pop them. Elijah's. What?
Is this looking true?
Yeah. It's a little one, but it's a
It's got a little one. This is what we're gonna call it the Hulk, right?
kind of like you, yeah.
Big
It's
E?
like the Hulk.
Wow, that is tiny.
Oh, it's
so little.
Yeah.
That is a tiny one.
Yeah.
It is tiny.
I mean, compared to the big
Check
one.
out the radio.
Awesome body, though, isn't it?
It's still bigger than Elijah's
Check
little
out the
monster
radio.
truck.
Check out the radio.
Gotta push down there.
Nice, brand stinking new radio.
Yep.
Here. That's. How is this little thing gonna go 65 miles per hour?
I don't know.
It's so tiny.
Is it heavy?
Heart.
Not really. Oh, Elijah can hold too. Oh, yeah.
What's the radio?
Our very own Hulk. You're holding the radio, Elijah.
This is really awesome.
So small.
It is. It's just like full-size Flux, but it's little. Check out
Ethan's
those
like, I
tires.
want to hold it.
I mean, the wheels.
Oh,
That's a
nice.
cool color.
He's like, I got
I'm out of
this.
here.
I got this. I'm taking care of this. Oh. Let her hold it for a minute.
Look at it.
Ooh, he can't quite walk. Oh, wait, come back. Oh, he's out. Out of here. Give me that radio. Let me get this thing cranked up.
It's a, you can, hold on. We gotta put the batteries in it.
Dad,
Cool.
who wrote this?
We're working on it.
You had a kit card. So a gift card. You can put stickers on.
That's new. I've never seen that in HPI kits.
Yeah.
Kit cards.
Stickers.
Awesome.
You put the batteries in?
Yep. Put them in there.
Woo!
So
Oh my.
they're lower pitched, so they're not as loud.
We got a 2S battery here. Let's see if it fits in this little nutcracker.
That is tiny.
It is.
I got the radio on.
Mommy saw this
Alright.
big last one.
It's little.
I've never seen that in the video, Daddy.
Yeah?
How that thing opens up and goes down.
How does it open up?
I think there's some like little flicker thing.
Flicker things.
You say
I like the bottom.
Ethan just wants to take it.
Daddy. Ethan. Aren't they cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice. My truck.
Oh no, he's gotten up on the chair. Here it comes.
Drive it around.
We can look at it, buddy.
Give it some throttle. Oh yeah. It is.
Okay, now don't do it now. Alright, put it down, put it down. Wait, I'm close. Nice. Alright,
Like that.
Nice.
let's go outside.
Yeah. Daddy?
Yep.
You okay now?
It's too exciting.
I know.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's really cool looking. It's pretty heavy for its size.
Let me see, let me see. You're always heavy.
For its size.
For its
A
size,
wiener.
it feels heavy to me.
It's a wiener.
Alright. Oh gosh, Jonathan. It's just-
So awesome.
Here, I'll give it to you.
Wow.
Okay.
Father, don't drive it.
Wow. This is so cool. How do you get it so fast? It's just like Elijah, a little hope.
Yep.
So backwards. I got it.
Wow. That's on 2S. Good grief.